Welcome back to WellPlus TV. Do you want to know how to get paid $2.48 every minute just by watching YouTube videos? In today's video, we're diving into a brand new website that allows you to do just that. And stay tuned to the end because I'll reveal a bonus trick to make $600 a day in pure passive income. Don't go anywhere. I'm sure you don't want to miss that. Step 1. Earn money by watching YouTube videos online. Head over to this amazing website where you can get paid to watch videos. I'll reveal the name of the website shortly, but first, let me show you how it works. On this platform, you can earn money by watching commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV shows. You also earn $1 for every person who signs up using your referral link. Once you reach the minimum payout, you can transfer your earnings to bank account, PayPal, and other withdrawal options that you prefer. This website is partnered with over 6,500 brands, ensuring a constant stream of new videos for you to watch and earn from. To get started, click on the sign up button. Enter your details, your first name, last name, birthday, gender, email address, and password. Complete the captcha and click create account. As you can see, we've received a $5 sign up bonus right away. Now let's see how we can earn even more. There are 5 videos available to watch. For the first video, you will earn 61 cents. Click play, watch for 34 seconds and hit complete. Close any ads and refresh the page to see your earnings updated. Repeat this for the second, third, fourth, and fifth videos. In total, you earn $2.48 in just a few minutes. But here is the catch. You can only watch 5 videos every 24 hours. Don't worry, lovelies, I've got a trick to bypass this limit for you. Step number 2, create multiple accounts. Each account can earn you $2.48 from the 5 videos. You can create 5 to 10 accounts very easily, okay? Use variations of your email by adding dots. Google treats them as different, but all the emails go to your original inbox. Now, with 10 accounts, you can make $24.80 in just a few minutes. And this is effortlessly, right? Step number 3, maximize your earnings with referrals. For every individual who signs up using your referral links, makes you $1. The website for this referral link is called winthub.com. And guess what, lovelies? I'll be leaving the links in the description for you. And now, lovelies, it's time to show you how to make $600 a day. Remember my promise when we get started, and I told you, if you watch to the end, I'm going to show you a trick. I like staying true to my words. It's time for me to show you how you can make $600 a day. Now, let's go to Facebook and search for Make Money Online groups. Join public groups like that and post about your success with WinHub. Remember the WinHub? Yes. Encourage people to comment how and send them your referral links. Create a compelling post with a proof of image. If 600 persons sign up using your referral link, you are earn $600 a day in passive income. Isn't this amazing? Lovelies, it's time to withdraw your earnings. Remember, every day can be payday if you're doing it right. And guess what? You deserve your earnings. Hover over my account and select withdraw. Choose your preferred method. You could use Western Union, PayPal, WebMoney, or Payoneer, all with reasonable minimum thresholds. Once you reach the threshold, click withdraw and set up your account. You'll receive your money quickly, instantly, and securely. That's it for today, my lovelies. It doesn't matter what country you live in, this method works. Like this video if you find it valuable and comment below what country you are living in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ways to make money online and to also help push us forward. If you want to learn more, click the video on the screen now. Thanks for watching Wild Pass TV. Until next time, keep hustling and keep living your best life. Stay safe